Today we discuss a 1500 kVA 6600 volt 3-phase star connected alternator with a resistance of 0.4 ohm and reactance of 6 ohm per phase delivers full load current at power factor 0.8 lagging and normal rated voltage. Estimate the terminal voltage for the same excitation and load current at 0.8 power factor leading. So the given data is rating of the alternator, (1500 kVA) and it's 6600 volt. ठीक है. RA armature alternator with a resistance of 0.4 ohm per phase and reactance, that means XS, is equals to 6 ohm per phase and power factor, that is cos phi is 0.8. okay, so first of all we have to find out the full load output current. And it will be total kVA rating, that is 1500 divided by √3 into supply voltage, that is 6600 volt into power factor, that is 0.8. We simply convert the power that is given 1500 kVA is equals to 1500 into 10 to the power 3 VA volt ampere. We convert this kVA to VA, so we can easily put into 10 to the power 3. So we solve this value and get the full load output current, and it will be 164 ampere. Now we can easily find out IaRa drop. Okay, so armature resistance drop will be 164 into 0.4, and this value will be this value will be 65.6 volt, and IXS drop will be 164 into 6. and the terminal voltage per phase will be 6600 divided by root 3. Okay, and this value will be 3810 volt. And the value of the and we know that cos phi is equals to 0.8, so the value of the phi will be it will be 36.87. we know how to find out the value of phi. Okay, it will be simply cos inverse 0.8 and the value will be 36.87 and sin phi zero point 0.6. Okay, now we have to find the generated EMF for leading power factor. Okay, so we have to find the generated EMF. We know this formula is equals to V cos phi plus IRA total whole square plus V sin phi plus IA excess total whole square. So I simply put this value V. We know the value of V, that is 3810, and the value of cos phi is value of the cos phi is 0.8 and IRA the value of IRA 65.6 total whole square and V sin phi and the value of IAXS is 984 total square. So we solve it and the value will be 4515 volt. This is the generated EMF for leading power factor. Okay, now for the same excitation and load current at 0.8 power factor leading, the voltage equation is so in that case you will be V cos phi plus IRA whole square plus V sin phi. In that case it will be minus IA excess whole square. and we also know the value of E. The value of E is 4515, and we also find the value of V cos phi plus IARA. Okay, so sorry, we have to find this voltage at the leading power factor, so it will be V, and the value of the cos phi is 0.8, and IARA it is 65.6 whole square plus V, the value of the sin phi is 0.6, and the value of IAXS is 984, total whole square, and it is under root. So we simplify this equation and it will be, so after solving this problem we find the value of V, that is 4976.4 volt. It is our terminal voltage for the same excitation and load current at 0.8 power factor leading. Thank you.